Okay, so I took off the knobs of my Fender and I see I took this off, the screws, and I see they're all rusted. Here you can see the rust around this one. It's horrible. Because when you have like knobs on, you don't even see it. So I'm gonna put these screws into white vinegar and let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna pour some white vinegar into this small glass, tiny glass. I'm opening it up. Okay. And I'll put this too inside. Oh! I dropped the pick. Oh, quickly. I'm gonna. But there's only one. Let me get the second one. Look how rusty it is. I'm gonna put both this into inside. They're both in vinegar, and let's wait a few hours. See what's gonna happen. Okay, so this is another day after 24 hours. I dipped these screws in the white vinegar, and it did remove some of the rust, but not all of it. But it's okay. I guess that's it. But I think these screws are generic, so you can get them in any shop. But Fender, another bad quality. Check. Like, how dare you put screws like that on a Fender guitar? That's gonna like rust. So okay, I'm gonna put this on later, but I want to show you something else. Here also I wanted to clean the knobs from my Fender, and I used the WD contact cleaner for this one, and immediately when I spray on it, all the ink went away. It completely disappeared, all the ink. And I tried on the tone knobs and it never disappeared. I tried like after I tried to spray like multiple, like 10 times, nothing happened. But on volume knob, it took off the ink from the volume knob, from the numbers. So what I'm trying to do is I got some paint for car, black, and I will just paint over and then I will wipe away. So let's get some shirt. I will just use some shirt to wipe it away. Let's try just one. Let's try just one number. Ah. Oh, this paint already smells so bad. Okay, let's close the paint, and now let's quickly wipe off this paint. It's stained. Damn, it stained the knob. it stained it, so it's damaged. Wow. It did color inside, but it stained outside. Damn. I didn't expect this. That's not good, that's not good. I'm gonna try to use the contact cleaner again. Ah, that's permanently stained. Great job. What a moron. So I guess I'll have to buy a new one. I didn't have the correct paint. This is like too harsh for the plastic. I didn't know that. Yeah, we'll never get this out. So that's what you do if you play around like a stupid retard. And it's hard to get now the color of this knob exactly the same. It's not gonna happen. So I really messed this up, man. I really messed this up. There's no way I'm gonna remove this paint. It did fill out great inside, but it stained outside. Damn. And I tried the contact. No way, it's not gonna help. Oh yeah, it's working. It's working. It did remove a lot of it. It did remove. Yeah. Look. It did remove the paint. So you have to be quick. You have to paint and then wipe immediately. Better probably with a baby wipe. Okay, let's do more. Yeah, this one I cannot remove there. Yeah, it's good. I mean, it looks good. Let's try more. Be very careful here. Okay, quickly. Yeah, it's not so good. I don't know what I did before. I don't know, I left it longer. Just keep it keep it on. Let's keep it on. And then wipe it off. I mean, this is ridiculous. What am I doing? Should just buy new knobs. Yeah, it's already stained. But it's okay, I can remove that later on. Let's do the rest. I don't want to stain the... The problem with new knobs, these are like aged. The guitar is like from 96, so if you buy new, you're gonna get completely white knobs. And I don't remember if probably they were completely white, but I'm not sure when they were new. But now like they became like kind of yellowish, and there's like yellowish buttons there too you can buy, but wow, it acts so quick. Okay, that's it. Look at this monstrosity. It's very similar to this color. I don't think you can tell the difference. So now we're gonna have to spray it again and then rinse it. Oh, it's not good. Let me change the camera. Let's spray again. There must be a better... I saw some videos with lacquer stick on YouTube, where he just painted in and then wipe away, and it didn't stain. But it's not available right now on Amazon. Wow, it really removes this. So the number 10, the one is like not good. Oh my god, it really removes this. Really looks good, man, better than before. I only messed it here. This one, that will be, it's in the ridge inside. And the number 10 I have to redo. Yeah, number 10 is stubborn. Maybe I could use like yeah, it's pretty good. Let me do the number 10 again. Let's use a tiny amount. The 10. Wow, crazy, man. It's I only messed it here. I don't know how I will get this paint out here of this ridge. That's gonna be a problem. Maybe dip it with a soak it. Soak it with the contact cleaner. I don't think this will be possible to remove. No. Yeah, look. Look how good it looks now. Before it was, but this, oh, I messed that spot. Oh my God. What am I doing? I don't know how to remove this. There's no way. Maybe. There's a lot of alcohol. I mean, maybe this will help. Hand sanitizer. Damn. It's okay. I mean, so this is like new, I mean redone, and this is like original. They look almost identical. The color, everything. and this is the second one. It's okay. I'm happy with this, with the situation. So we got this. We remove the rust as much as possible from these screws and repaint the volume knob. So join me for another video and subscribe. If you like Harleys, if you like guitar, if you like treble, if you like amplifiers. So see you in another video. Love you all. So before I go, I have to put everything back. So here's my Fender. Let's put the screws back. Let's put the screws back. Yeah, this is my wonderful Fender from 1996. The screws looks better. Carefully put it on. Just gonna hand tighten them. Yeah, this one's so bad. Couldn't remove the rust. Alright, let's tighten this. Not too much. I don't want to damage the pick guard, crack the pick guard. That's it. Let's put it to full. So the 10 should be upwards, like here somewhere. 10. Try to put in the 10. Ah, it's too much. 10 is like this. Okay. And the last one. Okay, done, finito. So we kind of clean up the Fender. I haven't opened it, but I saw that the rust didn't go inside. It was just that screw for some reason. So now I'm really saying goodbye and thank you for watching this video.